Understanding guided meditation, a journey for the mind. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and peaceful topic: guided meditation. Whether you're new to the concept or just curious about what it involves, this video will help you understand the essence of guided meditation and how it can be a valuable tool in our busy lives. So, let's embark on this journey together. Guided meditation is a process where one is led through a meditative experience by a guide or instructor. The guide provides directions and imagery that help the participants focus their mind and relax their body. Unlike traditional meditation, where the focus is on personal, silent reflection, guided meditation is often more accessible to beginners as it provides a structured and supportive environment. In this section, let's delve into the key elements that make up a guided meditation session. These typically include: 1. Relaxation. The guide will often start by helping you relax your body and mind. 2. Visualization. You might be asked to imagine a peaceful scene or journey. 3. Mindfulness. There's an emphasis on being aware of the present moment. 4. Breathing techniques. Proper breathing is essential in achieving a meditative state. Guided meditation can offer numerous benefits, including stress reduction. It's a powerful tool to manage stress. Improved focus. Regular practice can enhance your concentration. Emotional health. It often leads to an improved emotional state. Better sleep. Many find that it helps them relax and sleep better. Participating in guided meditation is easy and can be done in various ways. In-person classes. Joining a class at a local studio or community center. Online videos. Many guided sessions are available for free online. Apps. There are numerous apps dedicated to guided meditation. If you're new to guided meditation, here are some tips to get started. Find a quiet space. Ensure you're in a calm environment. Be open-minded. Embrace the experience without judgment. Comfort is key. Wear comfortable clothing and find a relaxing position. Consistency matters. Regular practice enhances the benefits. We hope this video has been enlightening and encourages you to try guided meditation. It's a simple yet profound practice that can bring significant benefits to your life. Remember, it's about the journey, not the destination. Take care, and see you in our next video.